Ladies and gentlemen, this is Patrick from the KubeSphere team. In this video, I'm going to introduce how to install PorterLB on KubeSphere. KubeSphere provides a graphic user interface, which makes it easier to install PorterLB for users who prefer doing things in a graphic user interface. And if you need to install PorterLB on KubeSphere, you need to first deploy a Kubernetes cluster and ensure that your Kubernetes version is 1.15 or later. You can use either a bare metal Kubernetes cluster or a cloud-based Kubernetes cluster. And of course, you need to install KubeSphere in your Kubernetes cluster. So first, let's log into the KubeSphere web console. I want to mention one thing. As you can see here, I'm directly using the admin account. In actual practice, you might need to use an account that has the permission to manage applications on your KubeSphere web console. Because this is a tutorial about PorterLB, I'm not going to discuss too much about the permission control system of KubeSphere. If you need to know the details about the permission control system of KubeSphere, you can visit the official KubeSphere website. But for now, let's just log in as admin. After you log into the KubeSphere web console, you need to go to a workspace. You can install PorterLB in any workspace and in any project. After PorterLB is installed in your Kubernetes cluster, it provides service for the entire Kubernetes cluster, so it really doesn't matter where you install PorterLB. Here I'm using this demo workspace. In this workspace, we need to add an app repository that contains the PorterLB application. So on the left navigation bar, choose App Management, App Repositories, and click Add on the right. You can use any name you like. Here I'm using demo PorterLB as the name, and set the URL to this address. And click Validate to check whether your environment is connected to the address. And click OK. So after the app repository is added successfully, you need to go to a project. As I mentioned just now, you can use any project. And on the left navigation bar, choose Application Workload, Apps, and click Deploy New App. Click from App Templates. And click the drop-down list and choose the application repository that we added just now. And click Porter, which is the PorterLB application. Click Deploy in the upper right corner and click Next, Deploy. So as you can see, the application of PorterLB has been created. So how do we check whether PorterLB has been installed successfully? You can click Pod on the left navigation bar and check the status of this Porter Manager pod. As long as its status is running, PorterLB has been installed into your Kubernetes cluster successfully. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. For more information about PorterLB, you can visit porterlb.io.